Good morning, you guys. Welcome back. Heck of a morning. Forgot my keys. Drove all the way down. Had to go back just because I don't have keys for this. So I gotta make a copy. Dude, guess what?
Aren't you not hoses longer?
What? I got my confirmation to go to the Texas thing.
Go to Texas?
Yeah.
I hate you. That looks so fun.
So I got the LCA on there.
I think I did a pretty good alignment myself.
So I ordered these Techno tuning lower control arms, extended about 30 millimeter, and I didn't really need to install it right away because obviously it's just sitting on the side of Justin's house. So he used mine, and then he ordered another set so that way he can get his going. And but yeah, I finally got the. I think I got the toe right. It looks pretty good. Damn, that's super aggressive. I just want you to see this. Hey, but look at my wheel though. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good. Yeah. Not bad. I would still do it thinner though, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, you need to show this.
Ooh, we got surprises. Do we got
surprises? So these are just. Oh, well, this is my. So that's like a slap one.
Look at that. Look at that.
And then this is the one actually. I gotta do someone here, but this is a new one.
These are test prints, I guess. Me and
So
Raph.
Here's one. You guys have to put it on so they can actually.
We're gonna have the originals, the original copies, and then once we start running the designs, the five designs that we're running, we'll go ahead and have them ready for you on the store for ordering.
But see, what I'm thinking is getting this lighter, so that it doesn't. But I'm gonna get one where it's gonna be. I'm gonna make a small logo.
Oh.
So we're gonna make a small logo, so that way we have just a small logo in the front and then something in the back. Yeah. So still in the works, guys. Still in the works, but we'll get it going here soon. Our store.
So just another quick update. I finally sold the shell for the vert. It's going to a buddy over at JBLM. He's out in the military base right now. We're just trying to figure out how to tow it over. But I guess that's the last you'll be seeing of Bella. And it looks like he's actually going to build it to put it back on the road. So I'm kind of happy about that because I really didn't want to see it get junked. It's a really clean chassis for how minor of the damage that is on the front end. If I had some cash, honestly, I would tube it myself and throw like a KA in there and just missile it.
Had to put the pop-up tent up because this rain is not gonna let off. But plan is to clean this up, just spray her down and scuff it up a little bit just so I can throw some paint on it. And the last time I was here, I did bang up the firewall a little bit just to get it ready to accept the RB25 transmission bell housing. Definitely made it about an inch and a half clearance all the way around. Hopefully it's enough. I didn't get this on video last time, it was on my Instagram. So I got some wheels for the front, and they're Enkei PFO1s, and they're perfect. They're actually a perfect setup because they're less aggressive. They're like plus 8.5 plus 40s, which is gonna be like running a plus 10. Just because I'm gonna have 30 mil extended lower control arms, so it won't poke out as much, and it'll be pretty much flush with the front. And yeah, hopefully those look, and they're actually really, really light. So I was pretty excited about that. You didn't even get any of that.
I know.
Oh, my back.
So
My back.
I need to figure out how to work this camera better because we were just recording for the last 5 minutes and it actually wasn't recording. So raft's making progress, as you can see, guys.
We use some Dawn dish soap. Dawn, you want to sponsor us?
Sponsor our drift cars.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start removing everything from here. The sway bar's already out because I remember removing that a while ago because I was gonna replace it with my Tanabe.
Let's throw some jack stands on there too.
Okay.
We'll be working on it.
And then the tie rod ends, or the tie rods are already loose. We don't even have to use rented tool for it. We can actually just use a crescent. I think they put this together before and they took all their old components off, and when they did that, they didn't tighten everything down, which kind of helps me in this situation because then I can remove everything a lot easier. So, but we're gonna start working on that right now. Get the lower control arm, extended tie rod ends, which are maxima. We're doing maxima ends.
Maxima inner and outers.
Yeah, inners and outers. We're in luck. I thought all my parts were in storage. Like my modded Knuckles.
I should have just told you.
I totally forgot that we kept this here.
Could have sold it. I could have made 500 bucks.
Yes, so I have my modded Knuckles, the end links are in here.
Everything's in here.
Yeah, dude.
It's angled kit time.
So, yes, here it is. We got my tie rod ends. Yes.
All right. So look at Raffy, he's all happy.
Oh,
he's got
I forgot.
all the parts he needs.
I forgot they were
Put an
all.
angle kit on there.
Forgot they're all here. So now we're gonna replace. I'm gonna take this the brake assembly off, and I'm gonna take this off, the hub, so that I can put my modded Knuckle in since we're gonna replace this whole part anyways. Actually, I'm being super airheaded right now because since I don't really need this or this, I don't even have to remove that. So I don't even have to waste my time on that. I just got to remove it from over there so the whole lower control arm goes, and same with this Knuckle because basically this is garbage to me, which I could probably resell it, but yeah, I don't know why I'm wasting my time. So this side is all in. Well, not all in, but if you look, that's there. And she is, I mean, there's no movement, no play. Those poly bushings really do wonders. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my Knuckle on now. I should have used my Tanabe. Oh well. So I'm gonna get this put together, and basically I'm not gonna really show that because it was like the reverse of what we did. So I'll get this done really quick and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so got the modded knuckle in by Silverline, I believe is
Silvermine motor.
Oh, Silvermine, yeah, Silvermine motor. So modded knuckle. Got my maxima and inner and outers, and the tension rod is going to be replaced with my Tanabe one. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so as always, thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate your support. If you liked the video or if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. It does help us out.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya.